Hello friends, I welcome all of you to Unacademy. This is Pratik Kumar here, and I will be teaching you quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning, which is nothing but friends mental ability for your exams. So friends, I again welcome all of you to Unacademy, India's largest free learning platform. And friends, here we are going to learn today problems on averages. And friends, in my each session, I always keep lot of short tricks. I always solve the questions with lot of short tricks so that you will be able to understand how exactly the questions can be solved in seconds, friends. So friends, in the today's session also I'm going to teach you average, and friends, here also I'm going to use the short tricks. So I will be teaching you the fastest method to solve the questions of average. So friends, most of the questions you will be able to solve just by seeing the questions or within 10 seconds. Okay friends, so within seconds you are going to solve the questions of average. So friends, as I told, my name is Pratik Kumar, and I have expertise in finding out short tricks for the mathematics problem. So friends, I have worked as central government employee, and friends, I have worked with ISRO team for the student satellite project. I have worked in many MNCs like Tata, Motorola and Nokia. I have done my graduation in BE from MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. And friends, I have more than 8 years of experience now. It's closing to 9 years of experience in teaching for IBPS, SSC, UPSC and Kpsc, so all government competitive exams. I have won many awards in the best trainer category. And friends, I have conducted bank UPSC, Kpsc awareness program in many of the Bangalore reputed colleges. And friends, along with that, I run a YouTube channel which is nothing but online study for you, where I teach for the placement exams. So our today's topic is one of the very important topics. So people are asking me to teach in Kannada, but actually I do not know Kannada. I am learning right now, so it may take some time to learn and then teach you in that language. So friends, okay, so friends, you can see this is my Unacademy ID. So friends, if you follow me here, then you will be able to access all the contents of the Karnataka PSI exam, which or Karnataka PSC exam, which we have recorded with lot of short tricks. So friends, you are going to learn a lot of short tricks if you follow me here. So friends, because each and every question, friends, I always solve using the tricks. And friends, this is my subscription link, so that I will be discussing it later. So that's I'll be discussing it later. And friends, this is my referral code. So for this, we will be discussing it later. Now let's start with the problems and the concepts. So friends, we have lot of problems today to solve. And friends, trust me, just be with me for 20 minutes, and after that, friends, the the things about average will change. So whatever you think, that thinking I'm going to change. So friends, average can be done. So friends, average problems you will be able to do just in 10 seconds, friends. So most of the question, friends, you will be able to solve just by seeing the question. So do not worry, friends, just be with me for 20 minutes, and I will change the mentality about aptitude and about the topic of average. So friends, the first concept is average will be nothing but equal to sum by number, which is a definition. So just wait for 5 minutes, I will show you all the tricks, friends. So friends, average will be nothing but equal to sum divided by number. So friends, average of 1 2 3 4 5, so average will be nothing but sum. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 5, so you will be getting 13 here. Now friends, if in question they're asking you to calculate average of, if they're asking you to calculate average of 1 2 3 4 5 6 until 50, friends, you cannot add each and every number and then divide it. So friends, for that we have a trick. So average of continuous number will be equal to first number plus last number divided by 2. So friends, if you have to calculate average of 1 2 3 4 5, then this is a continuous number, so average will be first number plus last number divided by 2. So 6 by 2 will be equal to 3. 6 by 2 will be equal to 3. So friends, you will be easily able to calculate. The value. Now in the question, they may ask you find the average of 60 natural numbers. Find the average of first 60 natural number. Now friends, this question is not simple. So friends, what are the natural numbers? A natural number is a number which is an integer greater than 0. So friends, greater than 0 will be nothing but a natural number, and natural number begins with 1 and it will be incremented to infinity. So friends, what about the first 60 natural number? So friends, the first 60 natural number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 60. Until 60. Now friends, if you will solve it by normal method, it will take a lot of time. Average will be nothing but sum divided by number. Average will be nothing but sum divided by number. So you cannot add all these numbers. You cannot add all these numbers and then divide by 60. Instead of that, friends, I told you one trick. So average of continuous number will be equal to first number plus last number divided by 2. So 61 divided by 2 will be equal to 30.5. So friends, this is very easy. So friends, this sum is very easy. You can easily able to do the problem in the exams. So friends, now find the average of first 110 natural numbers. So friends, natural number will always start from 1 and it will be incremented till infinity. So friends, here you see, so first 110 natural numbers. So friends, do not go for this solution because this solution is just copy pasted of the previous one. So friends, find the average of first 110 natural number. So friends, 1, 2, 3 and 110 natural numbers means till 110. Okay. Now friends, so average of this continuous number will be equal to first number plus last number divided by 2. So friends, this will be nothing but 111 divided by 2. So friends, 55.5 will be nothing but the average. 55.5 will be nothing but the average. So friends, you are able to calculate the average in seconds. So friends, you do not have to do anything. You will be easily able to calculate the average of the numbers. So can anybody tell me the answer? Find the average of first 69 whole number. So can anybody calculate this answer? Find the average of first 69 whole number. So whole number will be nothing but, friends, whole number will start from 0, 1. So whole number will start with 0 and then it will be incrementing. So can anybody solve? Can anybody solve and tell me the answer? So can anybody solve and tell me the answer? So friends, average of a continuous number will be nothing but first number plus last number divided by 2. First number plus last number divided by 2. So can anybody solve and tell me the answer? Now the whole numbers are, see friends, natural number, try to understand here. So friends, natural number will be nothing but, okay, so the marker is here. So natural number will be nothing but, friends, natural number will be 1, 2, 3. So natural number will start from 1 and it will go till infinity. But friends, whole number will start from 0 and it will go till infinity. So do not forget that in exam, friends. Now find the average of first 69 whole number. So it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and it will go till 68 and it will go till 68, right? Okay, because 69. So friends, first suppose they are telling first 5 whole number. So your answer is wrong. So first 5 whole number if they are telling, then whole number will start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first 5 will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 1 less than that. So first 69 whole numbers will be 0, 1, 2, 3 till 68. It will be 1 less. Now the average will be equal to, first number plus last number, divided by 2. So it will be 68 divided by 2. So it is nothing but 34. So friends, you can see option E 34. Option E 34 will be the correct answer. Is this clear? So is this clear? 34 will be the correct answer. 34 will be the correct answer. Yes, Anil Kumar, it is correct. Will be the correct answer. Okay. Now, so let's move towards the next concept. Now we will be moving towards the next concept. So what is the next concept? So suppose if they're asking you to calculate average of a number with common difference same. So friends, what I wanted to tell, so if they're asking you to calculate average of 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. So see friends, common difference. So difference is 2, difference is 2, difference is 2, difference is 2. So friends, when there is a common difference, then again average will be equal to first number plus last number divided by 2. So 14 by 2, so 14 by 2 will be equal to 7. So friends, when the difference is same, unnecessary, do not use average is equals to sum by number. Do not complicate the question by yourself, friends. The aptitude questions are really easy. The only thing is, friends, you have to use the trick smartly in the exam. You have to use the trick smartly in the exam. So friends, what you can do, when the difference is same, then average will be first number plus last number. So 3 plus 11 divided by 2, 14 by 2 will be nothing but equal to 7. Now friends, I am erasing it off and I am going to tell you one important thing. Now suppose if I ask you to calculate average of 14, 9, 7, 5, 11 and 3. So friends, if I ask you to calculate, okay, so this we will remove it. So instead of 14 we will put 13. Okay, so instead of, okay, now if I ask you to calculate average of 13, 9, 7, 5, 11 and 3. Now friends, here you have to use little bit of mind. So friends, do not solve blindly, because for using tricks also, we need to use the common sense, we need to use the mind in exam. And friend, trust me, this kind of question can be solved in mind. I will not let you use pen and paper in the exam. Friend, trust me, if you attend the 20-minute class, I will not let you use pen and paper for the topic average. Now friends, so before calculating average, arrange the number in ascending order. So friends, this is a very important point. Otherwise friends, this calculating this average will be very tough. What you will do, you will start adding the number, and then sum divided by number, you will start using the formula. But friends, when you arrange this in ascending order, then 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. So friends, once you arrange this in ascending order, then you see the difference is same, the difference is common. So if there is a common difference, then average will be again equal to first number, plus last number, divided by 2. So 16 by 2 will be equal to 8. Now 8 will be the average. Friends, tell me, for this question is pen and paper is required? No. See, once I will see the question, so I will arrange them in ascending order. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. The difference is 3, 5, 2, 5, 7, 2, 7, 9, 2, 9, 11, 2, 11, 13, 2. Difference is same. Then average will be first number 3 plus 13, 16 by 2, 8 will be the average. So friends, can we solve the question mentally or not? Can we solve the question in mind or not? So can we solve the question in mind or not, friends? So can you tell me the question? Yes. Okay. So this kind of question can be solved easily in the mind. So now there is a question for you, and let's see how many of you are able to solve. So can you solve this question quickly, friends? So can you solve this question quickly, friends? So before calculating, before calculating average of this number, so before calculating average of any number, first thing what you have to do, so first thing friends, we have to arrange in ascending order. So first thing what you have to do, friends, you have to arrange in ascending order. So 62, 64, 66, 68, 70 and 72. So we arrange this number in the ascending order, and friends, after arranging this number in the ascending order, then friends, what we are going to do, for average will be nothing but first number plus last number divided by 2. So first number plus last number divided by 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4 and 7 plus 6 is 13 divided by 2. So 2 6 are 12 and 2 7 ja 14. So 67. So 67, that means option D, 67 will be the correct answer for this particular question. So friends, you see this question again, I am putting down my pen and paper here. Now arrange them in the ascending order. 62, 64, 66, 68, 70 and 72. The difference is same, the difference is common, the difference is 2. Then the average will be first number, that is 62, and the last number, that is 72. So 62 plus 72 will be equal to friends what? 134, and 134 divided by 2 will be equal to 67. Again friends, we are able to do in the mind itself. So friends, the questions are really easy. The only thing is how do we take that question, that matters. Okay, now friends, let's see the average of the first 5 multiples of 3. So the average of first 5 multiples of 3. So friends, what will be the average of first 5 multiple? So friends, 3 table. So 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, and 3 5 ja 15. So this is nothing but the first 5 multiple. So this is nothing but the first 5 multiple of first 5 multiple of 3. So this is nothing but the first 5 multiple of 3. And now friends, you have to calculate the average. So friends, again you see the difference is 3, the difference is 3, the difference is 3, and the difference is 3. So if the difference is 3, then friends, if the difference is same, then average will be equal to first number plus last number divided by 2. So 18 by 2 will be equal to 9. 18 by 2 will be equal to 9, and the average of this problem will be equal to 9. So friends, each and every question I will make you to solve in the easiest way. So after 20 minutes of the session, you will find a difference of your thinking about aptitude and the problems of averages. Now friends, one more concept, one more trick which I wanted to give you. So friends, so the question is find out average of this number. Find out average of this number. So friends, before calculating average of any number, arrange them in ascending order. So 41, 43, 52, 53 and 57. Okay, now friends, let's go back and understand one concept which is very much magical concept I am going to tell you friends. So after learning this concept, you're thinking about average will change friends. You're thinking about average will change friends. So let's see here friends. So when we calculated average of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then average was nothing but 3. So friends, average will be always between minimum and maximum value. Okay friends, here also you see when we calculated average of 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11, so average was 7. So friends, average will be always between minimum and maximum value. So friends, keep that in mind. Your average will be always between minimum and maximum value. Now friends, you are going to calculate average of this number. So average will be in between 41 and 57. Now check for the option 58.2. That cannot be your average because average will be in between minimum and maximum value. 39.2 can also not be your average because average will be in between minimum and maximum value. Option C 49.2 is in between this. Yes, your answer will be option C. So friends, this question also keep the pen and paper aside and then see you have to calculate average of this number. Minimum is 41, maximum is 57. In between that, what is that number? So in between that 39.5. In between that 39.5 option is there. That means friends, your average is nothing but in between 41 and 57, the value is 49.2. So friends, in between 41 and 57, the value is 49.2. So friends, blindly you can say option C will be the correct answer. Now friends, you tell me without pen and paper, without using pen and paper, we are able to solve the question or not. So without pen and paper, can we solve the problem? Can we solve the problem? Can we solve the problem? Just tell yes or no. So friends, you can see in our today's session, friends, we have solved the problem using this concept. And now friends, I just wanted to tell you, if you love the classes, if you like the classes, then friends, you have a great opportunity here. Now you will be able to access all the courses of Karnataka PSC just by paying 249 rupees, friends. Friends, even a movie ticket will be more than 249 rupees. But friends, you are able to access all the courses of the Karnataka PSC just by paying 249 rupees. So friends, here is the link. So because friends, the Karnataka PSC notification is going to be announced soon, and friends use this link and use the code Pratik Kumar.125 and just pay 249 rupees, the less than a movie ticket price, and get all the tricks, all the content, friends, framed with all the short tricks. Because friends, my expertise with it finding the short tricks for the mental ability, and that is what I am presenting in front of you. So friends, do not think 249 rupees is a very less price, and in that less price you are going to access all the courses of Karnataka PSC exam. Friends, you will never get for any other courses in future or now also except Karnataka PSC. So friends, do not wait and attend the classes, friends. Live classes which has lot of features. You'll be able to ask your doubts whenever you need. Friends, you will be able to bring your question and that will be discussed in the class. If you miss the class, the recordings will be available. Friends, that many feature even you will not get in the offline classes as well. So friends, just by paying 249 rupees, you are going to learn lot of tricks, friends, for which you will have to spend a lot of time, and friends, you will be able to save you times, and in the less amount of time you are going to attempt all the questions of the mental ability in Karnataka PSC exam. That I can take the guarantee, friends. So friends, thanks a lot for attending the classes. I'm taking off from the session. Thank you guys. Thanks everyone who joined the lectures today. Again at 9:30 we will have the second part of average.